Hello Jay, good morning. Please work safely. Those boxes are heavy.
Yes, chef. Oh, my back. It is hurt. Chef.
Wait a second. I am coming.
I should have listened to you to be careful.
You go to hospital and come back. Then I will teach you all about safe lifting habits. It is very important to work safely. In a kitchen, most accidents are caused by unsafe lifting habits. Welcome back, Jay. I hope you're fine. Before we begin any work today, I want to teach you about safe lifting habits.
Yes, chef, I am feeling better. Yes, I would like to learn about the safe lifting habits. It was a very painful experience.
To be a good chef, you must first learn the basics. You have to pay attention to your health and safety aspects. Let's do it together today. So here we are back at the storeroom where it all started. This is an area where most accidents happen. Let me teach you how to lift that box safely. Did you see how I lifted the box? To lift safely, imagine you're in a gymnasium and doing squats. We need to bend at our knees and stand up straight. That way the pressure is not on the back but on the legs. You try it now. Remember to sit down straight and then lift properly with a straight back. Well done. However, if it is heavy for you to walk 5 steps with the load, ask for help from someone nearby before walking.
So today I learned about how to lift safely. I should bend my knees, squat and lift. And if it is very heavy, I must ask for help.
Yes, learning to lift is very important. A good form will help you to keep working in the kitchen for a long time. Stay safe.
Oh, and before you go, have you subscribed to this channel? If not, go ahead and subscribe to the channel to learn all about hotels.
Also a quick reminder, do visit clarifiedbetter.com to keep learning. The site has more than 50 certificate courses for all departments in the hotel. See you in the next class. Bye for now.